Goob here. Goob Goes Outdoors. Today is day 3 of my trip down the KATY Trail. And day 1, fantastic. Weather was great, slight overcast, perfect. Day 2 started out really good. About the time that I did a video to my family saying how great it is, how much fun I'm having, how fantastic this is, lo and behold, things went downhill just a little bit. So, as it is, I stopped for a break, and actually it was really enjoyable and nice, and I'd seen all these videos of these guys who, and pictures and whatnot, of these guys who would take and put a stick to prop up their bike. Fantastic, great idea. So I just assumed doing that. I thought about getting a kickstand. I thought about getting a pole. They sell those too and different things. And so I proceeded to put a stick underneath my bike, and it held great for a little while. And I was in the back, and all of a sudden my whole bike tips over. Didn't think much of it until I was about ready to go. And I can't move. The chain doesn't turn. So I stop, I get out, I take a look at it. The whole chain has bent up underneath on the rear derailleur, and it just won't turn at all. So here I am in the middle of nowhere, there's no one around. It's electronic shifting, so it's all jacked up. So I say, hey, I've got one chance, I can bend it back. So hoping that I don't make it worse, I did bend it back, and it got me going. But now I've got a fixie. I've only got one speed, and I was able to reset it, and it got me to the middle speed, but I can't shift at all, middle gear. And so anyway, that's what I'm at right now. So then about that time, it started raining and pouring and raining some more, and it let up just enough time when I got to my campsite. It was pouring down rain when I got here, and it stopped. I looked at the radar. I had a window of about 20 minutes. So I raced over to a spot that's in high land and proceeded to put up my tent. Got camp all set up, literally got into my tent and zipped it up, and it started pouring down rain. So hey, that's the way day 2 ended. So today's day 3. Forecast is slight overcast, and rain possibility of tonight. I'm not buying it. They said yesterday it was a 35% chance, and it poured. So anyway, one step at a time. Yeah, so kickstands are a good thing.